Hi there, traders. It was an exciting day today. We had some volatility. We had some movement. Get rid of the doldrums of the summer the last couple days. I managed to put in 150 pips today. Could have been more using my keen breakout strategy, which I basically have been focusing on lately. But let's go through the setups that are currently available to us. And the first one we're going to look at is the Great Britain USD. You can see that this baby just basically cycled right out of its current range that it had been just drifting through. It had been just basically moving down to 151, maybe 153, and then we had a top of 154, and it was just basically bouncing around in those ranges. Well, today it just took an end to that after the BOE basically gave its guidance, but kind of said that it wasn't really giving out guidance, that things could change if certain parameters were not met, and so forth and so forth. So they basically I guess they did provide guidance, but they did provide ways out of being locked into certain things based on certain numerical indicators. Anyways, so the Great Britain pound is officially above the 154 level, and that changes the game. We're back into a broader range, and as long as the pair can remain above 154, we can definitely see the top side of maybe a cycle up towards 156.10. That would be the target. And but if we do break back down below 154.30, then all bets are off, and we could start cycling back into the old current range. So this 154.30 level is key. And the Aussie USD, that really didn't do much anything. It seemed like we had a big move in that, but it did just basically move up to past support, which is now resistance at the 90 level, and we didn't even finish above that. So I find that we're probably still in the same range until we get a clear 4-hour break of it. I'm going to see, looking at the 90 level and looking for any pushes down, any weakness. We could get a run down towards the 88 level. And the Euro USD, this is an interesting setup because you can see that the pair above the trend line, but it hasn't broken through this basically resistance level that we have here between 133 and 133.50, 133.40. We need to get a strong close and a bust above that to see the continued cycle up, and then maybe we get a push up to the 134 and then even further up. Last pair I'm going to take a look at is the USDJPY, because we have the Bank of Japan in play tonight, and the Bank of Japan could say anything, could do anything, and we could see further yen weakness or further yen strength. What we're going to watch right here is the 0.68 fib from this move higher, and from this move higher from the 93.62 level, and that's going to be key. If we get a sustained break of this, I mean, there's no telling how far we could go. Now, we see the first target would be the 95 level. If we do break back above, though, we do have resistance right here at 97.50. All right, guys, if you want to start receiving the all the information, education about the keen trading, breakout trading, you can find more information on the blog, and I will have charts out for the JPY, Great Britain pound, and euro today. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Let's make some pips.